Hello everyone. If you're facing this error in Clear Obscure Expedition 33, fail to start process for this game, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you two solutions of how you can fix this annoying error on Clear Obscure Expedition 33 easily. So the first solution is the easy one. What you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu. You're going to write here Smart App Control, and then you're just going to turn Smart App Control off. But be aware that if you turn this off, you cannot turn this back on unless you reset your Windows. So that is the easy solution. And the next solution is you're going to open up your browser. You're going to search for HXD. You're going to go ahead to this link, scroll down, click download page on here, and then select your language, click download per HTTPS, wait for it to download, and then open it up, install it on your computer. And after that, open the HXT editor up. Now what you're going to do is you're going to go into file here, click open. Now go to your Expedition 33's directory. So the default directory should be in your C drive, program files 86, Steam, Steam apps, common, Clear Obscure Expedition 33. Here you should have the Expedition 33 underscore steam.exe file. You're just going to click open on here. And once you click on open, you'll have all of this data here. So now what you're going to do is you're going to go to the end of the file, and then you're going to put 00 and 00 here. So you're going to put 4 zeros there. And after you put 4 zeros, now what you're going to do is you're going to go into file and then click save here and just save this file. After that, now you can go ahead and try to play Clear Obscure Expedition 33, and you'll see that you will not get that error anymore. So this guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.